Good day, everyone. I am Janessa Macas, a third-year student from St. Rita's College of Balingasan. Today, I will teach you how to use MySQL syntax of SQL Max function. What is SQL Max? The max function returns the largest value of selected column. Sample syntax for SQL Max function. Select max column name from table name. And now, let's proceed to the WAMP server and go to MySQL console and press enter and type show databases. And use employee DB and enter. And next, show tables. And now, let's proceed to the main topic, the SQL Max. Just type select max salary from salary and enter. And this is the syntax of SQL Max. And this is the result. For more information, just visit www.w3school.com. Thank you and goodbye.